Recently, whilst I was investigating bottom end noise on the RM250, I discovered I had broken my flywheel cover or ignition cover. This ear had broken off. There's a big crack running through here. This crack here on the mount I already knew, there's a crack there. And this here has been rubbing away for years and it's getting awfully thin now. Might be able to see just how far it's been rubbed away, and that's been caused by having to space out the cover that much to make up for the flywheel weight, and because it's come out a bit, it catches on the where it used to catch on a gear lever, and also mud packs in between the gear lever and there, and it just slowly eats it away. So that's that one. I don't have it here, it's on the bike at the moment, but I also discovered there was a new crack on the clutch case cover down here. It's already cracked up here, which I've repaired with JP Webb, but I found another one down here. It's not leaking, but just like this one, it's eroded away where the brake arm would come and catch it as well. Because I found those two in poor state of affairs, I thought rather than risk the next time out oil leaking out, or this just, well, I don't think this one's really much of a problem, but just oil leaking out and any other problems with a cracked cover, I thought I'd buy some new CNC'd ones. I think they're CNC'd. They are not Billy. Boyesen. And that one, it says it's magnesium. It's not actually made out of magnesium, it's just coloured. Well, it's more of an orange. I don't know why they call it magnesium. That's magnesium. It's raw magnesium. And you'll see in a minute they're not the same colour. I don't know why they call it magnesium. It's more ceramic. I don't know. Yeah, as you see, not the same colour. That feels heavier. Oh, it comes with a... I need that because I made one out of a cardboard box. Some stickers, which I don't know what I'll do. Yeah, this is the other one, made out of, I know it's a Mitaka cardboard box. So there's the old one. This is the new one. I'm going to weigh these to see if the magnet. I'm pretty sure this is heavier. Yeah, this new one is made out of aluminium. Oh, it's not CNC'd, that's die cast. That's die cast. Well, that's disappointing. Okay. Alright, that's zeroed. And where's the broken bit gone? No. So that's 101 grams. I'm confident this is lighter than the other one, but I'd say the new one's about between 150 and 170 grams. Oh no, 132. Okay, I mean 32 grams is nothing, but sometimes, not for me, but sometimes every little bit of weight counts. I'm not going to notice 32 grams. And now I'm going to show you what the clutch cover looks like. Oh, this one's slightly different. That's annoying. That's annoying. Yeah, that's irritating, because stock one uses an O-ring, and all gasket kits come with an O-ring, spare O-ring. Just make sure I never tear this one. And the way I usually get around that is by coating both sides with grease. It may slightly weep, but then this doesn't stick and tear when you take the case off. That's that one. And as you can see, that is not magnesium colour. That's raw magnesium there. It's got a nice finish to it. Hopefully that's tough. taken the clutch cover off, and as you can see on this one it has an O-ring and a groove all the way around to seal out the oil. This one uses a gasket, which is a little unfortunate because I really do prefer the O-ring. It's hard to break them. These, well, I'm just going to make sure I've got to grease or oil up the gasket before I fit. This one's had damage on the bottom, so this would be the front of the bike here, and you can see I've already repaired it once here. There was a crack there from a hit, and you can see it's come through. There's a little crack on the inside, and I thought this one had come all the way through. This one here, I thought there was a crack right through, but it's not. But you can see it's made an impression, so it's dented in, and yeah, I don't think it's long for this world. There's other issues with it, namely the wear marks. So that's come off the brake lever where it's rubbed up there. You can see that's where the boot's also been, and this side here as well, it's completely lost that ridge which goes all the way around. It's just worn it across there from, yeah, my boot. That would be the ankle, I think, going across there, and it's rubbed it away. It's not rubbed right through, but I think, yeah, let's see if you can see it there. You can see it there. Maybe, yeah. So maybe a knock would pierce that. This one's aluminium, and it definitely feels heavier. I think this one's about 200 grams. This one's, ooh, I'd say 260. Let's weigh them. Okay, that's 0. And this is the stock one. Oh, 203 grams. I was 3 grams out. Oh, I said this one's about 260. Oh, let's keep the gasket on because the gasket's on the other one. Oh no, it's way heavier. 316, so that's more than 50% the weight. Huh. Again, I won't notice 100 grams difference. Well, it certainly looks better.